Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by gaining root privileges and quickly confirming your CPU model and available governors. This matters because different drivers expose different controls. Once done, install CPUF requitils and PowerTop so you can measure and apply limits. Next, choose a method. Set a conservative governor, cap max frequency, or use RAPL power capping for Intel. Make that decision now since it determines the specific commands you'll run in the next steps. You will now implement the chosen limit. If using governors, run sudo cpuffreset rg powersave to bias lower frequencies. This reduces turbo activity. If you prefer a hard frequency ceiling, write the desired KHZ value to scaling max freq across CPUs. This enforces a strict top speed. If you require watt-level control on Intel, use the PowerCap framework or an RAPL tool to set package power limits. While executing, finally, ensure your limits survive reboots by creating a small systemd service or adding the rights to an init script. Alternatively, set kernel or driver parameters if supported. Once persistent, verify behavior under load with stressng and monitor steady-state power and temps using turbostat and PowerTop. If limits revert or don't apply, make sure no other power manager, TLP, laptop mode tools, or kernel driver is overriding settings. Disable or reconfigure those services, then reapply your chosen method and recheck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.